Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your CV on the BestJobs application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the menu icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Now tap on your email address and you are ready to edit your CV. You should start with uploading a photo of yourself by tapping on this icon in the left side of the screen. You can upload a picture from your gallery or you can take a photo right away with your phone. You can also change or add more information in the or to the personal data section by tapping on this icon. So you can select your gender, your birthday, first and last name. You can type in your location, add your contact data such as your email address, your phone number, and also your profile visibility, whether you would like it to be visible to potential employers, to all of them, or only to employers, or you can also make it hidden. You can also attach your personal links, as you can see on the bottom of the screen. And if you are ready with this information, all you have to do is pressing the button save. Now if you go back to the edit my CV page, you can also add your personal experience. You can type in the job titles, your employer's name, rate your experience, select your location. You can also add information about your experience, your salary, and so on. You can also write about yourself in the About Me section. You can also add your job type preferences, your education, select your skills, and attach documents in the form of attachments. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.